Labuan versus Sdn Bhd. Which one is the better for your businesses? Hi, I am Azizam from Malaya Pride. Many people think a Labuan company is always the better choice because of its lower tax. But that's not always true. Choosing the wrong company structure could cost you more in taxation and compliance. So today, I will explain the 5 key differences between a Labuan company and Malaysian Sdn Bhd. Let's get started. First, let's start with the basics, the law. A Malaysian Sdn Bhd is incorporated under the Company Act 2016 and regulated by the Company Commission of Malaysia, or we call it as a SSM. However, Labuan is a federal territory of Malaysia located off the coast of Borneo. Company in Labuan are incorporated under the Labuan Company Act 1990 and regulated by the Labuan Financial Service Authority, or we call it as a Labuan FSA. So while both are Malaysian company, they operate under different law and do remember different regulators. Second is tax. This is usually the bigger reason people comparing the two. Malaysian Sdn Bhd is taxed under the company corporate tax system. Depending on the company whether it is qualified, it may enjoy SME tax rate or pay the standard corporate tax. However, a Labuan company carry on the qualified Labuan trading activities may enjoy a tax rate of 3% of its audit net profit, providing it meet the requirement economic substantial requirement. So yes, the tax can be attractive, but only if you qualified. Number third is economic substance. This is the part many people overlook. To enjoy the Labuan tax benefits, the company must meet Labuan economic substance requirements. Depending on the type of businesses, it may include having employee in Labuan and meet requirement annual operating expenditure. If these requirements are not met, the company may lose its Labuan tax benefits. However, a Malaysian Sdn Bhd does not have this specific requirement. It simply follow Malaysian normal corporate compliance rules. Number 4 is banking. Another important difference is banking. Opening a bank account for Malaysian Sdn Bhd is generally more straightforward. But for Labuan company, bank usually carry out more additional due diligence because it is commonly used for international businesses. Number 5, which one should you choose? If your business mainly operate in Malaysia, Sdn Bhd is usually the better option. But if your business focus on the international trading, cross-border investment, holding company or another international activity, then a Labuan company may be more suitable. So, should you choose a Labuan company or Malaysian Sdn Bhd? There is not one size fits all answers. Actually, it will depend. The right structure depends on your business model, your customer and your compliance obligation. If you are not sure which company structure right for you, feel free to contact us. We'll be happy to help. So, thank you for watching. See you on the next video.